गलत इक्विटल हो गया वैसे देखा जाए तो ये सब फॉर्मेट ठीक है इसका ये एप्लीकेशन देना पड़ेगा
एप्लीकेशन
लीव टू अपील एक लगाना पड़ेगा ना
हाँ विल फाइल इट
meaning 4 weeks time to file application for leave to appeal. IA for leave to appeal along with affidavit. This after 4 weeks. अब ये 56 से 59 next week.
Yes sir.
है ना बहुत हो गया रिजर्व next week. चलो अपडेट अपील number 60.
टाइम का पास होगा
क्या है मैटर क्या
competency is
the matter relates to issuance of charge sheet by an officer.
It is listed here in this.
Malad, it could not go before DB1, the earlier DB, Malad, Mr. Therefore, it has been listed before. Earlier also, it was listed before your lordships.
तो इसने तो ये ऑर्डर पास किया DB2 ने
Yes, earlier it was dismissed. This writ appeal was dismissed. Then they filed an application that one Gopalji Khanna decision was not pressed by them, was not brought to the notice, and only for that reason this was recalled. Malus.
Order was recalled.
Order was recalled.
So it can be heard by the bench also.
No, Malus. Now what they have then linked the matters along with the other writ appeals, and in one of the matters the lordships have passed the order in writ court, so it would not go before. Yes, your lordship. In one matter, which is that which was relied by the
these are writ appeals.
These are writ appeals.
Lieutenant Single Judge ने क्या उत्तर दिया? Current charge was not the competent officer to issue charge sheet.
Yes, your lordship.
Person was holding the current charge.
Current charge officer.
Therefore,
and
he was incompetent to
he was incompetent because DOP says a particular officer. There is a delegation of power that.
So recall कर लिया उसको.
This Gopalji Khanna, which has been relied upon, Malad, that is distinguishable. In that case, the Honorable Supreme Court has said that in those cases there were some regulations which were not statutory in nature.
गोपाल जी खन्ना में क्या बोला कि कर सकते हैं?
उसमें कर सकते हैं. उसमें ये था कि there were banking regulations and court has said that banking regulation is not statutory in nature and therefore current charge officer can also exercise these quasi judicial functions. But here in the present case it is governed by MPCCS rules, which is a statutory rule, and there is a GAT circular also which says that current charge of our state of MP itself, which says that current charge officer cannot exercise statutory powers under the CCA rules.
And recently, in Madhya Kshetra Vidyut Vitran Company, the authority MD has passed this order by which he declared that the current charge holder can exercise the statutory powers. But these powers not vested with the MD. He himself functioning under the delegated powers. How he can
sub-delegate power.
So how he can subdelegate the powers? So
When there is no express provision.
And my lord, once my lord,
अभी आज के अर्जेंसी है क्या?
सर इनमें कुछ में तो ये है कि फाइनल ऑर्डर इन्होंने पास कर दिया है.
आएगी.
After the after issuing charge sheet, my lord, DE has been completed and my lord, final order.
तो चैलेंज करना पड़ेगा आपको.
So that is under challenge. In my appeal, that is under challenge. My lord, or the competency is under challenge because my lord, the law settled.
एजेंसी तो है, साथ साथ फाइनल ऑर्डर भी तो चैलेंज करना पड़ेगा.
So that is under challenge.
अंडर चैलेंज.
Yes, sir.
इसमें
In my appeal.
नहीं, रिट पिटीशन में चैलेंज है कि नहीं?
रिट पिटीशन में ही चैलेंज था वो. रिट पिटीशन में वही चैलेंज था और उसमें सर दो केसेस में यहाँ भी लॉ सेटल हुआ है. एक करुण कुमार मिश्रा, आई हैव फाइल्ड इन माय अपील माय रिट पिटीशन my lord, and one is my lord WS 72 my lord. So in which my lord it has been held that the charge sheet must be issued by the disciplinary authority as per the my lord CCA rule my lord and rule my lord 14.
Lordship, I request that may be taken up in the Passover or maybe after exhausting.
We are not deciding, we are just trying to understand. अभी तक criminal cases सुन रहे थे, अभी एकदम से
There's
So-
change of subject matter.
हाँ, और टाइम लगता है.
There's a Gwalior DB decision also wherein the department has said that they had taken approval from the competent authority. And in that scenario, the
तो आप यहाँ भी हम लोगों ने भी डिसाइड किया
हाँ, लेकिन इन केस में वो भी नहीं है, अप्रूवल भी नहीं है,
अप्रूवल भी नहीं.
अप्रूवल भी नहीं है. ये बोलते हैं ही इज कॉम्पिटेंट.
लास्ट टाइम वो
शिव कीर्ति शुक्ला.
यस, योर लॉर्डशिप्स हैव डिसाइडेड.
सारे डिसाइड किए जिसमें एमडी का अप्रूवल.
एमडी का अप्रूवल.
तो फिर डीवी से भी उसे मैं WS 72 जो बता रहा हूँ वो डीवी से अफर में दैट ऑर्डर आई हैव बीन फाइल्ड.
हो गया.
Upheld हो गया वो डीवी से. So my submission is my lord, rule 14 has not been complied with because rule 14 stated my lord, if my lord may appreciate rule 14(2), thereafter my lord 5(a), so that specifically provided my lord the initiation has to be done by the disciplinary authorities.
कब लगा देना तो.
My lords,
Both the benches cannot hear it.
no, my lords, because in one of the matters, the member,
दोनों में किसी न किसी.
The rest of the three benches will not hear.
बता दीजिए कब लगा दो.
my lords,
ये है ना, आप है ना रेस्पोंडेंट.
I'm the respondent.
In one case my lord, I am the petitioner, appellant my lord, but issue is same my lord. So my lord may taken up my lord week commencing 18.
नेक्स्ट वीक.
नहीं वो नेक्स्ट से नेक्स्ट चले जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट से नेक्स्ट में चले जाए.
ठीक है. These matters are to be heard finally in this case. These cases in the week commencing 18th of November.
I'm rich.
My lord, at motion stage, otherwise it.
मोशन नहीं आएगा.
हाँ.
फाइनल हियरिंग अभी एडमिट कर देते हैं तो फिर जाएगा फाइनल हियरिंग.
My lords have said finally, so sometimes the registry.
Heard finally. Are to be heard finally.
हाँ lord.
नहीं अभी तो हाँ, conviction वाला है. Conviction.